After using several background removal websites, these are the 5 best websites you can use to remove any background completely for free. And some of these websites do not just remove background, but they expand and scale up your images for better quality, all completely for free. So without any further ado, let's do it. And so in no particular order, the first website that we are going to use is called bgclear.ai. I'm going to leave all the links in the description so you don't have to worry about them. And if you are watching outside YouTube like TikTok, Facebook, IG or whatever, you can use the link in my bio to access my YouTube channel, or just search BrainTech Graphics on YouTube and you'll find this particular video, where in the description of the video you'll find all the links that you need to access all the websites that I'm going to talk about in this particular video. So here on this website, all we have to do is to just upload our image. And as you can see, removing background. Let's wait for it to do its magic. Great. So this is what this website did for us. Let's download it and compare it with the original one. Let's open it up. This is the size of the one, the BG Clear did. If you zoom in, you can see that it did a very clean work. You can see the image is usable, everything is perfect. The next website that we are going to talk about is Adobe Express. The Adobe Express, all we have to do is to upload our photo as we did. And let's see what this website also has in store for us. Great, so this is also done, and let's download it and see and compare it to the original one and see if it really did what we want. Let's open it right here, and as you can clearly see, it is in high quality and it removed the background very well. So far you can see all these 2 websites that I've showed you are very great and they do the work perfectly. So the next website that I'm going to talk about is Photoroom, photoroom.com. This is one of the powerful websites out there that you can use to remove background completely for free. So let's also upload our image as we did for the previous ones, and let's wait for it to do its magic. It is giving us some errors here. I don't know how, but let me refresh the page and see if it's going to stop. Let's do it again. Great, it has been able to do the work. Now let's download it and compare and see if it does it well or it did something rough. You can clearly see that it is better. It did the work perfectly and excellently. Yeah, so let's move on to the next website, and the next one on the list is Pixlr.com. So for this one, just upload your image as you have been doing already, and then let's wait for what is it. This one is even faster. Let's save it. Let's save it. It has been saved. Let's open it. And yeah, this one too did it in high quality. So all the websites that I've shared with you, they are websites that are going to remove your background and in high quality as well. So the next website is Pixelcut.ai, and let's upload our image. It has removed the background perfectly for us, and let's download it and also compare. And now let's open and see if it did a very good job, and you can clearly see that it's removed the background perfectly and it did that in high quality. Now you can see this website did not only give you the chance to remove the background alone, they also retouch, expand and upscale. So I'm going to upscale this image from 1x to 2x. So let's upscale it. So you can see after the uploading, we got it 12,000 pixels, from 6,000 pixels to 12,000 pixels. That is a massive quality. Now this one too does something like image generator, video generator, audio generator, image editing, and all that. This one is a bit advanced, so I think there should be a dedicated video in this one. If you want that, let me know in the comment section. And for Photoroom as well, you can also add some things to your image. You can change the background right here to see if what you're going to use for is going to work, or you can even mock it up and see if, let's say, you just remove some background and then use it for a t-shirt. You can compare it right here and see if it's going to work well. As I said, I will leave the links to this website in this video's description. And if you're watching me on TikTok, Facebook, wherever outside YouTube, use the link in my bio to access my YouTube channel, or you can just search BrainTech Graphics on YouTube, find this particular video, and you will be able to see all the links in the description of this video. And so yeah, these are the 5 best free websites you can use to remove backgrounds. But let me know your favorite in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video to help someone. But if you want to be a better designer, then click on this video right here. Until next time, quench not your creativity. Peace.